My brothers and I have been working all day long on this, and we're at the final stages.
Right? Yeah. It's all down.
Angles.
We were small in a world made of snowfall. Blueprints running through the yard like a road map. Cold hands shaping dreams we could hold. Laughing while the daylight slipped through the treetops. We built kingdoms out of winter air. Gave life to a face made of cold and a carried. Every storm felt like it put us there, inside a secret place where nothing could break it. Years pressed on like weight on a branch, and all that magic drifted out of our hands. But I feel it coming back in the quiet of the night, like a spark beneath the frost when the world is white. We were made for wondering, we knew it way back then. Now the child in me is not gonna come out again. I keep finding winter in my pocket every time the first snow falls. First snow falls. I grew older and learned how to hurry, chasing mornings and never quite listened. Lost track of the stories buried in flurries. Forgot how the simplest moments could glisten. But the season pulls me out of the noise, calls me back to the kid with a wild imagination. So I go outside and hear that voice telling me to build something with no hesitation. Memory feels like a light in my